Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we will dive into an important aspect of data manipulation, text functions. Let's begin with Introduction to Text Functions, and we will specifically learn about the following functions: concatenate function, left function, right function, search function, and find function. To make this session easy to understand, we will use the Maven Market dataset for the demonstration. Let's start by understanding what text functions are. In Power BI, text functions allow us to manipulate text data within our dataset. They help in combining, extracting, and finding specific portions of text, making our data analysis more powerful and insightful. Let's start with the first function, which is concatenate. The concatenate function in Power BI is used to join two text strings into one. Think of it as a way to take separate pieces of text and glue them together into a single string. Currently, we are in Power BI desktop and we have Maven Market dataset loaded. Let's go to table view. For example, here we have first name and last name columns. You can use concatenate function to create full name column. Now let's break down how concatenate works. Click on Maven Market Customers dataset. Click on New Column in ribbon. In the formula bar, type concatenate. Hit tab. You'll see two parameters appear. Text 1, the first text string or column you want to join. Text 2, the second text string or column you want to join. You can also include additional strings, but with concatenate in Power BI, you can only combine two strings at a time. For more than two, you would need to nest multiple concatenate functions or use the AND operator. Now let's create a new column named full name that combines first name and last name into a full name. In the formula bar, let's start typing full name as the column name. Type concatenate. Hit tab. Start with the first text string, which is Maven Market customer's first name. So type first name. Over here we can see the column. Hit tab. Then we want to add a space between first and last names. In Power BI, we can do it by clicking on ampersand symbol, hit space, use quotation marks, the space in between, comma. Lastly, we add the second text string, which is Maven Market customer's last name. Type last. Over here we have the column, hit tab, close the bracket, hit enter. If you can see here, Power BI created a new column that combines first name and last name into a full name. Now let's move on to the next function, which is left. The left function extracts a specified number of characters from the beginning of a text string. This is useful when you only need a part of text starting from the left side. How does left work? Click on Maven Market Customers dataset. Click on New Column. Over here type left. Hit tab. Two parameters appear. Text, the text string or column from which you want to extract characters. Number of characters, the number of characters to extract from the left. Now that we have full name column created, let's extract the first 7 characters from the full name column. To do so, let's name this column as first 7 characters. Type left. Hit tab. We want to extract the characters from full name column, so type full name. Over here we got the option. Hit tab, comma. We want to extract 7 number of characters, so type 7. Close the bracket, hit enter. Over here, if you can see, a column named first 7 characters is created by extracting the first 7 characters from full name column. Now, let's explore the right function. The right function extracts a specified number of characters from the end of a text string, starting from the right side. To look at the parameters of right function, click on Maven Market Customers dataset, click on New Column, type right, hit tab. You'll see two parameters, text, the text string or column from which you want to extract characters, number of characters, the number of characters to extract from the right. Let's say we want to extract last 4 characters from the full name column. To do so, let's name this column as last 4 characters. Type right, hit tab. We want to extract last 4 characters from full name column. So type full name, hit tab, comma. The number of characters we want to extract is 4. So type 4. Close the bracket, hit enter. If you can see here, a new column named last 4 characters is been created by extracting last 4 characters from full name column. Next, we will discuss about the search function. The search function finds the position of one text string within another text string. It is case insensitive and returns the position where the string is found. This is very handy when you need to know where a specific word or letter appears in the larger text. To look at the parameters of search function, click on Member Market Customers dataset, click on New column, type search, hit tab. The parameters are find text, the text you want to find. Within text, the text or column where you are searching. Start position, the position to start the search. Not found value, what to return if the text is not found. Now for our example, let's try to find the position of letter D in full name column. Let's name this column as position of D. Type search, hit tab, find text. We want to find the letter capital D, that is letter D in uppercase. So type D in quotation marks. Comma, we want to find this letter in the column named full name. So type full name. We got the column, hit tab, comma. We want to start a search from the position 1. So type 1, comma. If the text is not found, return 0. So type 0. Close the bracket, hit enter. As you can see here, a column is created named position of D. If you can see here, search function returned the position of D, be it uppercase D or smaller case d, because search function is case insensitive. It returned the position of letter D from full name column. One thing to note here is not found value, that is what to return if the text is not found, is optional. Lastly, let's cover the find function. The find function is similar to search but is case sensitive. It returns the position of a specified string within another string, considering case differences. If you need to find an exact match, considering uppercase and lowercase differences, find is the way to go. To look at the parameters of find function, click on Member Market Customers dataset, click on New column, type find. Hit tab. Parameters include find text, the text you want to find, that is case sensitive. Within text, the text or column where you are searching. Start position, the starting position for this search. Not found value. What to return if the text is not found? It is optional. Now for our example, let's try to find the position of the lowercase d in the full name column. To do so, let's name this column as position of lowercase d. Type find. Hit tab. We want to find lowercase d, so type lowercase d in quotation marks. Comma. We are trying to find it in full name column, so type full name. Here we got the column, hit tab, comma. We want to start finding from position 1, so type 1, comma. If the text is not found, we want it to return 0, and this is optional. Close the bracket, hit enter. If you can see here, a new column named position of lowercase d is being created, and find function returned the values only based on whether it found lowercase d or not. As find function is case sensitive, it will only try to find lowercase d from full name column and return the values. This is how these 5 text function works. By following these steps, you can effectively use text functions in Power BI to manipulate and analyze text data. Click Ctrl S to save the changes. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.